found it, the most immaculate property in Brassall on the market today. 3 great sized bedrooms, rake ceilings to one of the 2 lounge rooms, great backyard, big outdoor area, and this position, walk to schools, shops and all amenities, even the park as well. The current owner has loved this property for over 30 years and I'm pretty sure you will too. Call me, email me, Facebook me, virtual inspections are our specialty. Any way you look at it, you have to look at it.